Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create user stories in Jira. So first log into Jira.com with your account. Like here, I'm already logged in now. Just Jira is an online tool that helps you manage your tasks with your teams, with developers, and assign tasks, create user stories, manage, your Scrum daily work. So first, let's go to Alt Create. Click on the plus Create button here. Choose your space and choose the type of the work you want to create here. We will use story. Now here, just create your summary for your story. For example, story 1. Here, add a description for your story. For example, as a user, I will add etc. So you get the idea. Choose the assign automatic or it's assigned by you. Here it says the labels. You can choose open it for your story. Select the date for your story also. And here you can select also the sprint you want to your story. So here, for example, sprint 1. Here you can add also story point estimates. The story points serve as indicator for the importance of the story, so you can add points here. Here, choose the reporter. You can add an attachment of story images or videos. You can add blocks. You can also restrict the rule of this story to an administrator member or reviewer. So for example, here we'll choose an administrator and admin. And just you want to add a flag story. And if you're done with these configurations and options, just click on the Create button here. And that's it. Your server will be successfully created. And that's it, guys. We found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one.